need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas' neck. BBS, my diamonds getting all these.
Welcome back to a new video officially, man. You see, alright y'all, welcome back to a new video officially, man. As you see, the 2 clips before this, I was running with the homie Eddie. He has, so he had the hatchback version of our car, 1.5 turbo, the CVT, and then he blew his motor, and then he put a SI motor in his hatchback. Built it. He's running full E85 intake, all the fast stuff, all the fast boy stuff, right? So I'm using that as a comparison to me. The only thing I have right now is intake stage 2 tune. That's all I'm running right now. But as you see by the title and thumbnail, man, you see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going E85, boys. Hey, I'm going E85, and you can't see on the camera, but I got my kit right here in this box, man. I got my kit right here in the box. So, yeah, man. Hey, I have to get fast, man. I have to get fast so that way I can. I don't know, man. This car. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. This car is low-key already fun as is right now, but as I'm starting to get more into the JDM world, the more into like the Honda community, especially the 10th gen Honda community is what I'm talking about. I don't care about the older Hondas. The 10th gen Honda community, they've been helping me a whole lot, man. So it's mainly the homie Ziri. Yeah, shout out to him. But yeah, man, hey, Fast Boys coming, man. And Fast Boys is coming. So I'm on the way to the shop right now to get this bad boy installed. And then I'm gonna give y'all the fill up with the 85, all that, man. 'Cause, man, I can't wait, man. But let's get into the video, man. So I'm here at the shop. They instantly started working on my car, so that's pretty dope. But man, when I say this Honda's everywhere, I've seen that one, the full carbon front hood, all that, man. It's pretty crazy, but yeah, apparently they're pretty known in the Honda community, so that's pretty dope. Yeah, they're already working my car. That should be done in about like. Alright y'all, so back on the road again. I am officially on the 85, boys. I'm gonna go home. I'm going to retune it because the tune I'm on now, I'm just on a 21 PSI tune with E85 enabled. So I'm going to go home, tweak some things, retune it, and then go fill up with 85, boys. That's what I'm gonna do in a minute. All right, y'all, it's official. Lifting the handle for E85. It's official. So I have to run either E30 or E40 mix. So right now I'm gonna run an E40 mix. Then got to hit no. Handle 91. And the rest. So I'm gonna do 6 gallons of 91. Simple. Started up just fine. Damn, I'm not gonna lie. 204 miles, I never got that before. But I've been driving slower, so my gas mileage is going up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm honestly let my car sit for like a few minutes, so that way all the gas go settle and sit in. I'm gonna go down these little side streets because I know they're always empty, and I'm gonna give some pulls. So I did one pull, right? Like just a quick pull. And I definitely could tell difference. Could definitely tell difference. So that means I'm just running a bass tune, just a bass tune running. So that means I'm running a bass tune with only 21 psi and E85. So I'm gonna give you all the pull right now. Oh shit! It's hard to explain, but it makes a huge difference. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go home real quick. I'm gonna do one pull down this random street right here. Let me see real quick. I'm gonna give y'all. Definitely a huge difference. Yeah, E85, damn. Oh my god, running just a bass tune, y'all. Just a bass tune. It's not even a tune, just so I can run E85. I'm spinning. Woo! Race car boy for the win. Corn-fed Civic. Oh man. Scat packs, I mean, yeah, 392s, I'm coming for you, man. I'm here to let y'all know that E85 makes a huge difference. God damn, boy. It is so much fun. Like, when I mean this car is so much fun now, man, and oh my god. This car is so much more fun to drive. And as I know, on my Instagram story, I was at full blown. I have fixed the ghetto rig I had on the master airflow sensor, and oh my god, man. Oh, I'm sorry, but this makes a huge difference. Like for a Honda, this is pretty impressive for a Honda, man. I can't complain one bit. Oh man, yeah. So all I know is I'm gonna definitely have to be at the gas station a whole lot, man, a whole lot. All right, here's what I'm gonna do with a new tune, well, the new updated tune. I'm gonna do starter 21 psi. First thing I'm gonna do is enable a flex fuel. I'm gonna go disable VSA, traction control. There we go. Field cut settings. I'm not gonna mess with that. Quick adjustments. Improved auto response.
Eco button. Factory ramp. Aggressive ramp. I'm gonna do improve spool 1. Tune 1. I'm gonna do turbo. Yeah, honestly, yeah, I'm leaving it like that. And flash directly to my ECU. And I'll catch y'all in a few seconds. So I'm gonna see y'all in 1 second, and while I wait about 10 minutes. All right, and we are back. Car's on. Now I'm gonna take it for a little drive up the streets.
Hey, yo, but before I go home though, I gotta stop at the good old Wingstop. So yeah, man. But at Wingstop, my order is a 15-piece. No, so my order at Wingstop is a 10-piece, half of wine, half honey barbecue, and then I get another 5-piece. Get that all barbecue with fries and a drink, man. With like 3 to 4 ranch, because you gotta dip the ranch in the chicken whole. You gotta dip the ranch and chicken a lot. Like each chicken should have its own cup of ranch. That's how good their ranch is. But go comment down below what y'all favorite meal is at Wingstop. Got my Wingstop, my Cheez-Its, and my drink. So that concludes this video. Man. Alright, y'all, it's a whole new day, and you probably like, what the hell is going on? But I'm literally I'm on a lift. It's hard to explain, but I'm on a lift in my car, getting my exhaust done. So before, you guys know, I'm just running a muffler and a resonator deletes. The shop I took it to before, Lear just chopped it off. So I thought, so whenever I backfire, I feel it up under my seat. So that's how I realized my my exhaust wasn't like all the way back. So yeah, that was weird. So yeah, I'm here to change my exhaust. But I'm going. So I found out that my exhaust. So exhaust on the stock Honda Civic exhaust is 2-inch. So I'm going 2.5-inch all the way back. I tried to go 3-inch, but I already have no clearance in front of the car, so 2.5-inch was already pushing it. So I'm going the 2.5-inch all the way back, and still waiting on my downpipe. I just ordered one, and everything went back order, so don't know when I'm gonna get the downpipe. But when I do, I'm taking it to RTB, of course, so that way he can do my full custom exhaust. So RTB is my main only real exhaust shop. Matt's a super cool dude, smart, especially in terms of the Mopar world. He knows how to make a V6 sound like a V8. So he works his magic with all the exhaust. So if you need your exhaust, then go to RTB Exhaust Man. But that's not where I'm at right now, unfortunately. But yeah, go to him for his exhaust though. All right, tell me when.
Go ahead.
All right, fresh startup, we're done, and
Go ahead and accelerate.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you, I'm out.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 Kia with a hustle with your Mindo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in. No, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Step a step a step.